In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Photon Sol. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website and create an account. You can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, which will give you a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, or you can just go to this link over here if you don't want to use my referral. It's up to you. Now, after you do this, what you have to do is simply make sure you have your Phantom Wallet installed. So as you can see, I have it over here. I'm just going to pin it. There we go. And make sure you are logged in like me. Now, over here, you want to then press Connect Wallet. And you'll get this pop-up where you have to click Confirm. And then after this, as you can see, in just a few clicks, I was connected already. I just logged out, but in just a few clicks, you'll be able to connect it. You will have to confirm a few things, and after you do confirm a few things, you will always get your private key, and then you will have to save that private key and make sure you know where it is and not show it with anyone. And once you do this, then you are ready to start using Photon Sol. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.